Have you ever stopped to ask, what is a seasoning cube actually made of? We use them in almost every meal because they make our food taste amazing. But what if I told you that inside this tiny cube are ingredients that could be harming your health? I used to put seasoning cubes in all my food until I discovered something shocking. I never thought twice about it because everyone around me was using them too. I did some research and what I found was shocking. From eating chemicals to dangerous health risk, you need to hear this before your next meal. For years, I believed that seasoning cubes were the secret to delicious meals. But here is what no one tells you. Have you ever checked what's actually inside them? These cubes are loaded with MSG, monosodium glutamate, excess sodium, and artificial chemicals that could be causing more harm than good. MSG is used to enhance flavor but can cause headaches, dizziness, and even addiction to processed foods. Excess salt is high in amount and can lead to high blood pressure, kidney damage, and bloating. Artificial flavor and preservatives. They are chemicals that keep cues shelf stable but may trigger allergies and digestive issues. Unhealthy hydrogenated fats. They contribute to high cholesterol, weight gain, and heart disease. Doctors and health experts have warned about these effects for years, yet most of us continue using them without questioning why. So, why did I decide to quit? I started experiencing constant headaches, bloating, and fatigue. At first, I thought it was stress or bad diet choices. But after some research, I realized that seasoning cubes were the real culprits. So I made a decision, no more seasoning cubes. And guess what? Within just a few weeks, I noticed a huge difference. When I saw this, I was shocked because most of us have been eating this every day without even knowing what's inside. Now, let's talk about how seasoning cubes actually affect your body. Because trust me, this is where it gets scary. The irregular use of seasoning cubes can cause high blood pressure due to excessive sodium intake, headaches, and fatigue. MSG has been linked to migraines and weakness, digestive issues. Artificial ingredients can lead to bloating and stomach discomfort, heart and kidney problems. Long term use increases the risk of chronic diseases. Did you know that research has linked MSG consumption to obesity and metabolic disorders? Some experts even say that seasoning cubes are designed to make you crave more processed food. The more you use these cubes, the more you become dependent on artificial flavors. And before you know it, your body stops recognizing the taste of real fresh food. Since quitting seasoning cubes, I feel so much better, lighter, and more energetic. My food still tastes amazing, but now I know I am nourishing my body with real natural ingredients. Instead of artificial cubes, I now use these natural seasonings that not only make my food delicious, but also support my health. And the best part, they are affordable and easy to use. In children, too much sodium and artificial flavors can impact brain development and lead to unhealthy eating habits. In adults, increased risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and obesity. In elderly, higher susceptibility to kidney problems and cardiovascular diseases due to sodium overload. Start by reducing the amount of cubes you use instead of quitting suddenly like I did. Experiment with fresh ingredients to enhance taste naturally. Make your own spice blends to replace artificial flavors. Drink more water to help flush out excess sodium and toxins from your body. So if you are thinking, but how does she or how do I replace seasoning cubes? Don't worry, I've got you. Here are my top 5 natural alternatives that you can start using today. Garlic and ginger. They boost flavor and fight inflammation. Turmeric and black pepper. They are natural seasoning powerhouse. Onions and bell peppers. They add depth and richness to your cooking. Salt and herbs. This enhances taste without chemicals. The use of ome stock, either bone or vegetable broth, the ultimate natural flavor boost. So, if you've been using seasoning cubes in all your meals, I encourage you to try quitting for just 1 week. See how your body reacts. You might be surprised at how much better you feel. Let's start a conversation. Drop a comment below if you've ever thought about quitting seasoning cubes or if you have a favorite natural seasoning. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening health and wellness tips. On this channel, we are dedicated to providing you the best tips to keep you healthy only naturally. So, until I see you in my next video, please take good care of yourself because green health cares. Catch ya.